choose to be holy, set apart for you, my Master, ready to do your will.
Welcome to the Worship 2.0 podcast, and today we're featuring the Great Song Select segment, where we present to you a song, or today a medley of songs, that will stand the test of time. Remember, great songs have no expiration date. The intro song that you just heard is Refiner's Fire, which was written by Brian Doerksen and is skillfully combined with the song Holy Spirit Rain Down, which is written by Russell Fragar. These two songs together capture the precise transformation from brokenness to spiritual renewal. The arranger brilliantly paired these two great worship songs into a single, seamless storyline. Refiner's Fire is a deeply personal, earnest prayer based on Malachi 3, verses 2 through 3, asking God to cleanse the heart like silver and gold through a purifying fire. Holy Spirit Rain Down is a passionate, collective cry for asking for the refreshing rain and power of the Holy Spirit. These songs both focus on spiritual transformation and seeking God, with Refiner's Fire using mental images of the refining process to express a desire for holiness and dedication to God's will. And Holy Spirit Rain Down uses the symbol of rain for spiritual refreshment, emphasizing the need for God's presence and power. Refiner's Fire with Holy Spirit Rain Down is one of the selections released from a worship musical entitled Evidence of Grace, created by Steve Moore and David T. Clydesdale, and was arranged and orchestrated by David T. Clydesdale, and recorded by Word Music in Nashville, Tennessee. The scriptural message of this arrangement is perfectly illustrated through the musical pairing of Refiner's Fire and Holy Spirit Rain Down. The fire of God clears out sin and purifies the believer, directly preparing them to receive the rain and outpouring of the Holy Spirit.
Purify my heart, let me be as gold and precious silver. Purify my heart, let me be as gold, pure gold. Refiner's fire, my heart's one desire is to be holy, set apart for you, Lord. I choose to be holy, set apart for you, my Master, ready to do your will. Purify my heart, cleanse me from within, and make
No man can know what God has in store. So open up heaven, open it wide over your church and over our lives. Touch our souls and make us whole.
We hope that you'll take the time to visit worship2.0.com. That's spelled WORSHIP, the number 2, followed by the letters POINT, and then the number 0.com. And click on the free trial button where you can listen to great worship songs by Don Moen and many other gifted worship leaders online. We hope that you'll spread the word about worship2.0.com, where our mission is to help people everywhere at any time experience the presence of God. Have a great day.